Hey guys, it's almost Super Bowl. Who are you rooting for? I'm in CT, you already know. Homemade pizza. So I got some naan from the store and I'm about to make my own homemade style pizza. Gather together my cheese, my aromatics, and some seasoned chicken breast that I had in my fridge. And to pep this up, I used a little jerk sauce. Added in a little olive oil, added my chicken breast, and then my aromatics on the side, onions, pepper, jalapeno, garlic. Quick and easy. Homemade is always good. It's always healthier. You get to choose and make the right decision to prepare your meals at home. Quick and easy game day recipe. You don't have to be spending no money. Save some money and thank Shelly's J.A. Bickle later. Added some cheese to top this off because what's pizza without a little cheese? Allow this to saute for 15 minutes. Eat in my oven to 300 degrees. And I will be using, yes, some homemade ketchup and some Parmesan sauce on my bread, on my dough, right? Because I don't like pizza and my pizza sauce must not be heavy when I'm eating it. So I lightly just coated this and then I added my protein on it with a little extra cheese and some tomato. Listen, make your meals at home. You will be able to save money than be paying. Yes, and make your meals on Sunday. I don't care if you work, make a meal prep on Sunday or late in the night, Wednesday night, make your meal prep. Thank me later because you will save tons of money when you home prep. Purchase the meal in the supermarket and go home and cook it. All you need are the ingredients. And in this one, I'm giving you a Super Bowl game day meal to be like a pizza. Your children will love this. Added me some cheese on this and listen, added this to my oven for only 15 minutes. And yes, tomatoes are very, very good for us. Please support a small black-owned business. What are you waiting on to check out Shelly's Spices.com? Don't forget to support your girl. It's Black History Month. Support small black-owned business. We're struggling, right? And added this to my oven. Look at this. I could eat this before it gets crispy. I am not a pizza fan because, of course, I'm Jamaican. And Jamaicans don't really like pizza. Right? They eat it, but they don't like it. And if I had another choice, I would not have to consume pizza. But because I wanted to give you game day recipes that you can make from home, cheap in the store, all these ingredients will cost you less than $20. Right? Add it to my oven and within 15 minutes, voila, look at your girl pizza. And listen, we enjoyed this quick and easy meal. Also can be used in the week. Don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe. Why you also mean you keep watching my videos and not liking? All it takes is a simple tap.